Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming physical connectors and the expected native resolution. Plug a known good HDMI or DisplayPort cable into the graphics port. Once done, power both devices and select the correct monitor input. On Windows or Mac OS, open Display Settings to view available resolutions and pick the native one. This preserves sharpness and size. If the native option is missing, make sure the graphics driver is installed. That often unlocks correct resolutions and prevents scaling errors. Next, address scaling and the graphics driver to correct size mismatches. In the operating system, set scaling to 100% for accurate pixel mapping. If text or UI is too small, choose a higher percent instead of changing resolution. Then update or reinstall your GPU driver so the system recognizes the monitor edited properly. Meanwhile, open the monitor OSD and ensure aspect ratio is set to native or auto. This ensures the image fills the screen without distortion. Finally, make small combined tweaks until size and clarity are correct. Adjust resolution and refresh rate together, then recheck scaling. Small changes interact, so change one setting and test. If problems remain, swap cables or use another port to rule out hardware faults and boot into safe mode to test default drivers. As a last resort, reset the monitor OSD to factory settings, which clears custom scaling modes. If nothing fixes it, consider contacting support with model and screenshot details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.